Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube, dedicated to help you lose weight permanently. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 personal trainer in Vancouver to help you lose weight. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day. Today, we're gonna be doing a beginner core workout to help you tone up the lower abs and also a little bit of the shoulders. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, our first exercise, we're going reverse crunches here in 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. For the reverse crunch, you wanna make sure your back is nice and flat coming down. You're gonna squeeze your lower abs, and as you lift those hips up, you're gonna breathe out at the top. This is a great exercise for really toning up your lower abs. Good, and continue to breathe. Relax your head, relax the shoulders. Continue to work that core. We got 10 seconds. Nice work, try to lift those hips nice and high. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10-second breather. Next, we're gonna stretch out our hip flexors by doing a side-lying hip flexor stretch. Anytime you're doing core, it's really important to make sure to stretch out the hip flexors because this muscle gets really tight, especially if you're sitting a lot during the day. So we're gonna hold this stretch here for 15 seconds and then we're gonna switch sides. Okay, keep going. And let's go ahead and switch sides. We'll do the other side. We'll do a side lying hip flexor stretch. Grab and pull. Good, nice work. And in 10 seconds, we're gonna go ahead and do our bicycle kicks. Lying back down, both shoulders down, elbow to knee kick, and kick in 3, 2, 1. Let's start it up, 30 seconds here. Fire those lower abs again. As you're crunching up, elbow to knee, you're gonna feel your upper abs working. And as you're rotating, you're gonna feel those obliques. Every time you kick, you're gonna breathe out, breathe out. Good, doing great guys, keep it going. Nice work, 10 more seconds. You guys are off to a great start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice work. All right, we got a 10-second breather. After this, we're going back to our reverse crunches. And 30 seconds, let's go. Let's start to lift our bum a little higher. Try to lift those hips straight up to the ceiling. Continue to breathe. You guys are doing great. Nice work, halfway there, 15 seconds. Breathe out, breathe out, keep it going. Last 5 seconds, lift those hips up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice job. We're gonna flip over onto the side. We'll do our side lying quad stretch. Side lying hip flexor quad stretch. So you're getting your quads and you're getting your hip flexors. Sink in here. Make sure you're pulling this leg back. You're bringing your bottom knee nice and high so you feel that hip flexor stretch. You'll feel it in the quads as well. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. And let's switch sides. Flip over to the other side. Grab your ankle and pull. Good. Sink into a nice deep stretch. So we're gonna start our third set soon. All right, let's start to flip back over. We're gonna do our bicycle kicks, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Bicycle kicks. Every time you kick, breathe out, breathe out. You guys should start to feel a nice sweat now. Feel the abs working. Get a nice full extension with those kicks. Give me some powerful kicks. Pretend there's like a wall right behind you and you're gonna kick a hole through the wall. Kick and kick 10 seconds. I wanna see the elbow touching the knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice work. All right, we're gonna start our third set coming up. We're going back to our reverse crunches here in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Reverse crunches. This is the third set. Let's start to lift the bum a little higher. Up, up. Doing good, 20 seconds. And then make sure you're controlling on the way down. Don't just drop those hips down, up, and then slow and control. Good, and if you're controlling, you should really feel the abs working. 5 seconds, let's do 3 more, lift those hips up. 2 more, last one. All right, nice work. Let's do our side lying quad stretch. Turn to the side, grab your ankle and pull. Hold that here for 15 seconds on each side. All right, and let's flip over and we'll switch sides. Grab your ankle and pull. After this, we're gonna go back to our bicycle kicks. Let's get in a ready position, bicycle kicks again. Back is nice and flat, arms by the side of your head, and let's go. Start it up. Bicycle kicks, kick, kick, kick. Keep it breathing. Nice work. And then you want to squeeze the core the whole time. Very, very important. You want to engage the core while you breathe. Nice, 15 seconds left. After this, you get a 30-second break. So let's finish strong here. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Take a 30-second breather, grab some water if you need. After this, we're gonna be doing our second circuit of core. All right, next exercise, we're gonna do some crunch punches, arms up, and then you're gonna crunch, and then you're gonna punch straight up to the ceiling. Every time you punch, you're gonna breathe out and breathe out. Try to lift both those shoulders down. Good, you're working your upper abs here. Give me some hard punches. Punch, 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 keep going. Nice work. 10 seconds, punch a little higher. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. We're gonna flip over. We're gonna go into a plank position, and then we're gonna be doing some plank leg lifts next. Plank here, bum down, lift your right leg, lift your left leg, 30 seconds, let's go. Okay, keep your bum down, keep your head back, and as you lift your leg up, you're gonna breathe out. Get a little squeeze in the bum, squeeze in the glutes. Keep that core firing the whole time. Nice job. And again, just like the reverse crunches, you don't want to drop your legs down. You want to control on the way down. Good, nice and controlled, keep going. Less than 10 seconds. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good, 10-second breather. After this, we're going into mountain climbers. We're gonna hop back onto a plank position here, and then we're gonna drive the knees up. So here, right knee up, left knee up. Good, again, keep the bum down. You wanna make sure the hand is right underneath the shoulder. Good, and every time you drive the knees up, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe out. Good job. Right knee to the right elbow, left knee to the left elbow. Good job. All right, 10 seconds. Let's start to go a little quicker. Nice work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job. We're gonna flip back over. We got our crunch punches again. Good, and again, you wanna lift both those shoulders off the floor and then give me a little punch. Ready, and let's go. Good, you also feel a little bit in the shoulders as well. Good, as you punch, breathe out, breathe out. Good, and if you're not feeling the core, I want you to crunch up a little higher, a little higher. Try to lift those shoulders up, both shoulders up as you punch. Nice, less than 10 seconds. Doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. We're gonna flip over. Get ready for our plank leg lifts in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Lift the left leg, lift the right leg. Every time you lift the legs up, breathe out, breathe out. You're doing great. Nice work. Halfway there, guys. 15 seconds. Yeah, keep everything nice and stable. Squeeze that core as hard as you can. We are almost there. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job. All right. Relax the arms, relax the core. We're gonna start our mountain climbers here in 3 seconds. 2, 1, and let's drive the knees up for some mountain climbers. Good work. Nice job. The last 10 seconds, we're gonna go a little quicker. You guys ready? 10 seconds, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, a little quicker. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job, guys. We got our last set coming up. This is gonna be the last set of the video. I want you guys to go as hard as you can. Lying back down, crunch punches. 2, 1, and let's start it up. Good, work those upper abs. Crunch up as high as you can. Give me some nice hard punches. Punch, punch, punch. Nice work, 10 seconds, a little higher. Let's finish strong together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Second last exercise. Back to our plank leg lifts. Ready position. 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. 30 seconds. Lift the right leg, lift the left leg. Make sure your legs are shoulder width apart. Remember, your bum is down the whole time, head is back, and breathe. Breathe. Nice work. Keep the shoulders strong, keep the core strong. Good, 10 seconds. Almost there, guys. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job. All right, we're down to our final exercise. We made it. 5 seconds, and then we got mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. Mountain climbers, drive those knees up. Keep it going. Ten seconds, a little faster. Let's finish strong. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.